Alright guys, so you might have noticed that the frames have been dropping in Fortnite Chapter 2. So I've come up with a solution. So as you can see, um my 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 computer is not maxed out or anything, but I'm still dropping frames. So what you gotta do is go into your settings. Oh, okay. So what you're gonna have to do is put everything on low. Now, if you have a 144 hertz monitor, that's kind of too bad, guys. So, there we go. I'm not dropping any more frames. We're getting consistent frames. And, Epic, I'd just like to say, what the fuck, guys? This is embarrassing. Holy shit.